Hi, first grade. I have a really cool book about our human bodies to share with you today. And this is a non-fiction book. So it has true facts in it. And it has lots and lots of true facts in it. So I'm just going to share with you some of the most important and special ones. And this book is all about our bodies. And this is a cell in the first part of the book we're going to talk about. So this is a cell, and it's the building block. It's the smallest part of your body. And it says that the smallest cells in your brain, and that some cells line your intestine and all sorts of places in your body. And they regenerate. So you have new cells. It says your cells and your whole body, the cells in your intestine only live for a few days, while the cells in your brain live your whole life. Pretty cool. All right, the next one we're going to is the skin. And this is what your skin looks like under the surface. And it says your thickest skin is on the soles of your feet, and the thinnest skin is on your eyelids. You can feel that. Feel the thick and the thin skin. The next one is muscles, another important part of your body, and this is what a muscle looks like. It said, did you know that skeletal muscle, the muscle around your bones, are made up of bundles of long, thin fiber? There may be as many as 2,000 fibers inside a muscle. It says you have 640 muscles in your body. Your biggest muscles are your thighs and your bottom. The smallest muscles are deep inside your ear. The next one is bones. You can even probably feel some of your bones, like your skull. It says the largest joint where two bones meet is your knee bone. And more than half of your bones are in your hands and your feet. How cool! And your brain. Wow. It says a human brain is about 3 pounds and memories are stored in your brain. Cool. The next one is the senses. Can you remember the 5 senses? This is what your ear looks like in the inside of your ear. Remember those really small muscles they talked about? And it says some senses facts. You get your eye color from your parents. And your nose can detect more than 3,000 different smells. Your tongue is covered in taste-sensitive nerves called taste buds. And your tongue can detect bitter, sour, sweet, and salty flavors. The most sensitive skin is on your fingertips, lips, and toes. This is our heart. Your heart sits in your chest between your lungs, and your heart beats about 100 times every minute. Your heart is a cone shape and about the size of your fist, and it pumps blood through your whole body. It says a blood cell takes about a minute to travel around your body and back to your heart. Cool. The next one is your lungs. Take a big breath. You can feel the lungs working. Your lungs are 2 spongy bags inside your chest. Your left lung is slightly smaller than your right to make room for your heart. You breathe about 30 times a minute automatically. Cool. Next is your stomach. Are you hungry yet? It says food stays in your stomach for about 3 hours. A full stomach can hold about 2 pints. The next one is your intestines. This is what happens after food leaves your stomach. It says in total your intestines are about 24.5 feet long. It's taller than the ceiling. The small intestine is about 20 feet, and it's only called small because it only is about 1.5 inches wide. The large intestine is much wider. It says your small intestine is curled up like a sausage-like coils inside your abdomen, and a meal takes about 24 hours to pass through all of that. And the intestine takes in that nutrients, or the good things. The liver and the kidney. It says your liver is in your abdomen above your stomach. It's divided into 2 parts called lobes. Your liver carries out many important tasks. It stores nutrients or good things from food and turns others into more useful substances. It also removes harmful chemicals from your blood. And it says, did you know that if you removed part of the liver, it could grow back? A kidney is also an important part. Their job is to remove water and waste from your blood. This waste is called urine or pee. Your body is made up of lots of really cool systems. We have the digestive system, which is what we talked about with your stomach and intestines. The circulatory system, which is your blood and your lungs, helps you breathe and pumps oxygen and blood through your body. We have the muscle system, which helps you stand up and the nervous system, which has your brain and helps you feel, and the skeletal system, which is your bones. There's another system called the endocrine system, but we're not going to talk about that one today. But check out your body. What questions do you have about it? Why is it this way? We know, even with all of our questions, that God has made our bodies very special. Thanks for reading with me, first grade.